Thank y'all very much for coming. You are the lifeblood of the forest products industry. We understand how dependent we are on you, and likewise, you're dependent on us too.
We need the loggers and the loggers need us. And so if we can do things like better turn times, a better mill experience, we can get them in and out quicker, they can be more efficient in their business. Mill consistency is important for loggers because they make their money on Friday afternoon, not throughout the week. So if a mill shuts down early, that logger still has all of their fixed costs, they have all the equipment, they have all the notes. So consistency to the logger, that's something that RoyOMartin we really strive to do, is be consistent to them throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the year.
And the logging force, very, very critical in our industry to have a logging force that is so strong like you are.
So the American Loggers Council represents all the loggers in the United States. We represent about 10,000 companies, about 50,000 employees in all 50 states now. We've got members in every state. It's terrific.
California, Oregon, Idaho, the Lake States, the Northeast, so you hear a lot of different accents.
Why we're here is to have our annual meeting, learn about what's going on in this region, in the southern part of the state. I'm from California, where we have a lot of different forestry issues out there. But we just are out here as a gathering to support each other, support our council, talk about what we need to do in the future.
So as part of the annual meeting, we always we want to visit active logging sites, which we did earlier, and then we like to go to a mill facility where we can see finished product, and the loggers are tied in with the supply chain, and this helps them understand, hey, we supply the raw material, RoyOMartin makes OSB on the finished end and where that product goes. So it's very important for us to see a mill operation and understand how it works, yeah.
You know, it's interesting. There's a lack of hope right now, but I think really the biggest problem right now is we're losing some of our timber markets. Things are slowing down, so we're kind of hanging on, hoping for a much better future, but we have optimism. We've been suffering from a lack of hope. I think we're replacing that with some optimism now for a better future.
Maybe that's a little ways, but we are always looking and engineering for the future. There is a big future for the timber industry in Louisiana, and we will keep y'all working. So, and I think that's something that y'all need to hear.
Without outfits like RoyOMartin, we have to have markets, and we have to have good, steady, persistent markets that we can count on. So big outfits like RoyOMartin with great mills, great people, they bring stability to our industry, and we absolutely need that. So they're a tremendous partner.
Yeah, I think we're excited to host the ALC and show off our world-class facility and feed them some Louisiana Cajun food.